This is a great day in New Brunswick today because we're signing an agreement between the Brunswick ATV Federation and J.D. Irving Limited. This is important for both organizations because it provides access to over 800 kilometers of trails that are on lands that JDI owns. Many of our employees and their families are members of the New Brunswick All-Terrain Vehicle Federation. And we share a focus on safe New Brunswick woodlands travel and respect to the environment. The New Brunswick ATV Federation does a great job on trail maintenance and signage, and this is an opportunity for New Brunswickers to enjoy our woodlands.
This partnership is good for our federation. We'll be able to tie clubs together, we'll be able to tie villages and towns together and see a lot more of our beautiful province. We'll have a better way of applying for trails where we can actually sign them so that nobody gets lost. They'll know they're on an ATV managed trail. I'd just like to mention to our members, please be respectful for the landowners because landowners are giving us the permission to be there.